Hello students of class 5th B, welcome to your new online classes. This is your science class. Your first chapter is completed. Today we will start your second chapter. The name of the chapter is the skeletal system. What is a skeletal system? What it is made up of? So the skeletal system is a framework of our body which is made up of bones, and it protects and supports the body and the internal organs of our body. Now let us move towards the introduction part. You have learned that your body is made up of cells. Our body is made up of tiny particles which is known as cells. The cells of the same kind join together to form tissues. When the cells which are same in structure and has same function, they join together, then they form tissues. When the tissues of same kind, same structure and same functions join together, they form an organ. The organs which perform same activity join together to form different organ system. So the important words are cells. When the cells join together, they form tissues. When the tissues join together, they form an organ. And when organs join together, they form organ systems. And one of the most important organ system is skeletal system. You have different organ systems in your body. We have several organ systems in our body that work in coordination, which work together with each other for the smooth functioning of the body, so that our body performs all the functions smoothly. Now here is a chart given. Cell, which forms tissue, then they form organ, and then they form organ system. This is important. Now there are 8 organ systems in our body which runs together and in coordination to perform all the body functions. So first one is nervous system, second is skeletal system, next muscular system, then circulatory system. Then there is digestive system, respiratory system, excretory system, and the last one is reproductive system. So in all together there are 8 organ systems in our body which perform different functions of our body. The first one is nervous system. The first body system is nervous system. What are the main organs which constitute the nervous system? First one is brain, nerves, and spinal cord. And what is the function of nervous system? It controls all functions of the body, which means body performs several functions by different body organs, and all the functions are controlled by nervous system. The second is skeletal system, which we have studied now. The main organs which constitute the skeletal system is bones. So the skeletal system is made up of bones. And what is the function of a skeletal system? It gives shape to the body, and it gives structure to the body and support it and helps in movement, and it also protects the internal body organs. The third one is muscular system. What is muscular system made up of? It is made up of muscles. And what is the function of muscular system? It helps in movement of the muscles. Fourth one is circulatory system, which we have studied in the first chapter. The main organs of circulatory system is blood vessels, and the heart. It carries food and oxygen to all parts of the body, and it also collects waste material. Fifth one is digestive system. Digestive system is made up of teeth, stomach, small intestine, and large intestine. Teeth helps to chew the food, stomach helps to digest it. The function of digestive system is to digest the food and release energy. Next one is respiratory system. Respiratory system is made up of nose and lungs. What is the function of respiratory system? It absorbs oxygen and gives out carbon dioxide, so it helps in respiration. Next one is excretory system. Excretory system is the system which helps to remove all the toxins and waste from our body. The organs are kidneys and skin, and the function is removes waste from the body. The last one is reproductive system. Reproductive system, the organs are different in males and females. Both the organs of males and females are different of the reproductive system, and the function is to produce young ones. We have seen that there are 8 organ systems in our body. The first, circulatory system, we have studied in chapter 1, and in this chapter we will study about the skeletal system. The skeletal system all the bones of your body form the skeletal system. The skeletal system is made up of bones. Without the skeletal system, your body would have no shape. So it has to give support to the body and it gives shape and structure to the body. The bones in your body can be compared to bricks that give shape and support to a house. As a brick gives shape and support to a house, in the same manner, the bones give shape and structure to our body. An adult human has 206 bones. Total bones in our body are 206. At birth, you had more bones. At the time of birth, you had more than 206 bones. But as you grew up, these bones joined together and become longer and larger. So here is a diagram given of a skeletal system. So let me explain from the upper side. This is skull, which protects the brain, facial bones, teeth, shoulder blade, upper arm bone, forearm bones. These are thigh bone, they are shin bone, they are calf bone, and these are ankle bones. Now here, these are jaw bone, collarbone on the neck, then they are breastbone. This is rib cage, which protects the lungs. This is backbone on the back side of our body. This is hip bone, wrist on our hand, metacarpals, finger bones, kneecap on the joints, then metatarsals here, then this one is foot bones. Next topic is functions of the skeletal. As we have studied the first one, it gives shape and support to the body. It gives shape and structure and support to the body. Next one is protect delicate internal organs. The internal organs of our body are very fine and delicate. They are very soft, so it helps to protect them. Third one is it helps to bring about movement with the help of muscles attached to the bones. When the muscles are attached to the bones, it helps in movement of the body. The skeletal system is made up of bones. Now we will study about bones. What are bones? What they are made up of? The bones of your body are made up of minerals like calcium. It is made up of calcium and phosphorus. These are the important words. The bones are not solid. They are not solid in nature. They are filled with bone marrow. They are filled with a spongy tissue which is called bone marrow. What is bone marrow? Bone marrow is the site for production of red blood cells. It is the area where red blood cells are produced. The bones of your body are living. They are living in nature and have a rich supply of blood vessels and nerves. It is a diagram given of bone. This is known as bone marrow. The bone is filled with a spongy tissue which is called bone marrow. The next topic is parts of the human skeleton. So the first one is skull. Skull is the part which protects the brain. The first one is the skull is the bony case. It is made up of bones that makes your head and face region. It protects the head and the face region of our body. It protects the brain and gives shape to the face. It protects our brain and it gives shape and structure to our face. Third one is it is made up of 22 bones, out of which 8 bones make the skull and 14 bones make the face.